this is How Great Is Our God in the Key of C. I love this one. This was one of the very first songs I learned when I learned how to chord. So I hope you enjoy the most simple way to play a song. You are at the right place. In the key of C, we have 4 chords. Also, make sure to stop this video right now because I do have the printable chord sheet for you in the description of this video. In the key of C, we have C, F, G, and then we have our A minor chord. Pretty simple. C chord is made up of C, E, G. A minor, just hop down 2 notes. A, C, E. F chord, hop down 2 notes. F, A, C. And then our G, just hop up 1 note. G, B, D. When our right hand is playing chords, left hand is going to play single notes. We're going to camp out C here, line up all our fingers, and don't move this hand the entire song. You'll just find that's the most simple way to play it. C note goes with C chord, F note with F chord, A minor to A in the bass, and G to G chord. Okay, the rhythm we're going to do is what I like to call just a simple marching rhythm, but it's together, right, together, right. Together, right, together, right. When we're playing them together, they both go down, then just our right hand by itself. Notice this left hand stays down during that time. It kind of helps sustain your noise. Okay, so let's add some vocals to it and you'll understand what I mean. The reason I picked key of C is because it's the most simple key to play in, although vocally it's a little higher than I typically sing. So you'll notice I drop between octaves in my vocal range, which is okay. But I love that it's the most simple way to learn a song. That way, once you are very familiar with that, you can go on and play more advanced sounding keys. All right, so I'm gonna add some vocals to this so you see what I mean with the rhythm. The splendor of the King. Move to the A minor. Clothed in majesty, let all the earth rejoice. Simple rhythm. Verse 2 is just going to be a repeat. The bridge, you're the name above all names. Move to the A minor. You're worthy of all praise. F, and my heart will sing how great G is our God. And then a C there. Okay, I'm going to play it top to bottom because this is the most simple way to play it. I think you're going to have a lot of fun. You can go back if you need some help with the chords again and that rhythm. Just practice that on your lap, practice that on the keys, practice that over and over with just, the same chord over and over and over, just so you can get that. Sometimes it's simple, but sometimes our hands don't do what our brain is telling them to do. So just practice that over and over. Enjoy playing it along with me or accompanying yourself, singing beautifully, or just rocking out with a band, a garage band, or leading worship on stage like I did in the very few lessons before I even I was up on stage leading our church because we didn't have a worship leader at the time. So I think you could do it. I know you could do it. Have fun. The splendor of the King, clothed in majesty, let all the earth rejoice, let all the earth rejoice. He wraps himself in light, and darkness tries our God, and all will see how